everyone, I just wanted to stop in and say hello. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. And onto the lipstick collection. So here are all of my lipsticks, and I'm going to swatch them out. This is not a declutter. So first we will start with the Betty Boop from Glamlight. So it is a red shade, and I'm going to try and get it so that I don't have to wipe my arm off a bunch of times. So it is a heart-shaped packaging, and that is what the color looks like. Next is Strawberry Shortcake from Glamlight. I really like this color. I'm not a big fan of the liner that it's paired with, but there's other liners that I can use with it. And then we have the Trick or Treat Holly Ho. Again, this is from Glamlight. We have the Hershey's Milk Chocolate. And so the Nightmare on Elm Street has two different ones. And none of the Glamlight lipsticks have names. They're just known from their collection. So that is what this one looks like. And then there's the darker one. I really do like the detail that Glamlight puts into their lipsticks. And then we have the Halloween 2, which has Mikey on it. Now this one is more like a tan shade. I haven't had a chance to actually put that one on my lips. And then I do have two Ghost Face. They're the same color. This was the older one, and this was the new release that came with the lip gloss. So I'm only going to swatch one of these. And so I'm starting with 36 lipsticks, and that does include the double. And at the end of the year, I will be doing a declutter. So this one has little knives on it. And that one is pretty much the same color as the Mikey one. And we have the Wonka lipstick. This one is a lot smoother, and it's a little bit deeper than the Halloween 2 and Ghostface. We have Friday the 13th. So that one's a little bit more peachy. And we have the Twinkies Hostess Collection. My daughter is trying to fall asleep right now if you hear her. And their packaging, most of their packaging is magnetic, which is nice. Next we have Tiffany from the Chucky collection. This is very dark, and it has heart embossing on it. It's really similar to, which one was this? The Nightmare on Elm Street. And next we have Chucky from that collection. And this one also has the hearts on it. I will say a lot of their shades are similar. So if you missed out on one of the collections that's no longer available, you can probably get something similar. So we have the Kiss. And I will have the glosses and lip liners in another collection. And then this came with their drink collection eyeshadow palettes. So this is Rum, and it's like a liquid lipstick. And then this one is in Pinot Noir. I'm not exactly sure how to say that, but this is a very dark color. And that is all of the Glam White. We have one liquid lipstick. It is the Matte in Tulips from Odin's Eye. That is what that looks like. I have one from Huda Beauty. It's really similar to this one. I have one from NARS. This is one of the newer packagings. It's magnetic, but it's also refillable, which is nice. I wish they would put the color on the bottom of the tube, because you can, this is in Dirty Talk, but once I use this, I could get a refill of something else and put it in there. I have 3 from Jeffree Star. These were a gift from one of my friends. This is Bricked Up. This is a sample size, if I'm not mistaken. This is in Don't Panic. And Bite My Lip. KVD, this is the Lolita 2. It's actually really similar to the Jeffree Star. And the rest are NYX. So this is the Suede in Soft Spoken. I really like this one. We have the matte in Natural. And then these are some of the minis right there. This is Velvet in Charmed. And then Matte Velvet in Volcano. We have a butter lipstick in Root Beer Float. It's very soft. This one is in ripe berry. And this is another matte in Up the Base. This is like a purple. I don't know if I'm ever actually going to wear that. And we have a soft matte lip cream in Athens. We have the Lingerie Push-Up in Exotic. I really like this one. It's very creamy. And then we have a liquid suede. This is very pink. This is in Flaunted. And then the last one is in Expose Me. And these smell really good too. So that is all 35 shades swatched. And at the end of the year, we will be looking at doing a declutter. And also the declutter will include any new shades to come into my collection.